Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today, we're diving into Brazil, one of the largest and most promising markets in Latin America. Specifically, we're demystifying the registration process for Class 1 medical devices. You may have heard the term Cadastro, but the landscape has evolved, and it's crucial to understand the current notification or notification pathway governed by ANVISA, Brazil's national health surveillance agency. First, let's clarify the terminology. While Cadastro was the historical term, the modern pathway for Class 1 and 2 devices is officially called Notification. This is a simplified registration route designed for low-risk products. The key feature of the notification process is that it does not require a detailed technical review by ANVISA before you can place your product on the market. This is a significant advantage, dramatically shortening the time to market compared to higher-risk devices that undergo the full registro process. However, this is also where many foreign manufacturers make their first critical mistake. Simplified does not mean no requirements. The most fundamental requirement is that you must appoint a Brazil registration holder, or BRH. This is a legally registered entity in Brazil that will be responsible for the device registration and will represent your company before ANVISA. You cannot register a device in Brazil as a foreign company without a BRH. Your choice of BRH is a strategic decision. They are not just a name on a form. They are your regulatory partners, responsible for all post-market activities, including vigilance and incident reporting. Let's talk about documentation. Even though ANVISA doesn't review your technical file pre-market, you must prepare one and have it ready for inspection at any time. This file should include device descriptions, design specifications, risk analysis, and labeling information. For example, a company producing a new set of surgical scalpels, a Class 1 device, must compile a complete technical dossier proving its safety and efficacy, even if ANVISA never asks for it up front. If a market audit occurs and the dossier is incomplete or missing, the consequences can be severe, including fines and market withdrawal. Labeling is another major pitfall. All information on the product label and in the instructions for use, or IFU, must be in Brazilian Portuguese. This goes beyond simple translation. It must comply with specific ANVISA regulations. We saw a case where a European company had their entire shipment of Class 1 devices held at customs because their IFU, while translated, did not meet the specific formatting and content requirements mandated by Brazilian law. It was a costly and entirely avoidable delay. Furthermore, some Class 1 devices may require an in-metro certificate. This is a mandatory certification for certain electrical medical devices to ensure they meet specific safety and performance standards. It's an entirely separate process from the ANVISA notification, but is a prerequisite for it. Failing to check for in-metro requirements can completely halt your registration process right from the start. In summary, while Brazil's notification pathway for Class 1 devices is efficient, it demands thorough preparation. It's a system based on trust, where the manufacturer and their BRH are expected to ensure full compliance without direct pre-market oversight from the regulator. Misinterpreting this trust as a lack of rules is a path to failure. For MedTech and IVD companies looking to navigate the complexities of market access in Brazil and beyond, Chen-Global offers end-to-end regulatory consulting solutions. We combine local expertise with advanced AI to streamline global market access. For any questions, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.